To set S Pen up and down gesture to open Samsung Notes in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select S Pen, and then tap Air Actions. Next, tap up and down gesture icon. Scroll down the screen, and then select Samsung Notes. Now, up and down S Pen gesture set as Samsung Notes. To use, press and hold your S Pen button and then move it up and down and then release. Okay, press and hold up and down and then release. Sorry, press and hold up and down, release. Then notes will be open. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.